Hello guys, today we are going to have HTML image as a lesson whereby today you'll be able to have this to make your website, build your website, whether you'll be able to design like such as this website you can see on the screen with all the content you need to use and the design. Actually, we're going to have, you will be able to make your website with all things you may need, the content, the images, and any other way you can make it to be able to design it so that all the visitors or any visitor may come in, may be able to understand what it means. So images, we use it to improve the design and the appearance of web pages. As you can see on this one, it looks so. Without further ado, let's just jump in. We start coding or typing some HTML images tags to be able to start off. So let's just type images tag. You just type image, then you just hit tab. If you are using Visual Studio Code, it is very easy. It helps you to make everything easy. So we type a image tag, the following it pop-ups or comes in. It's CRC, we call it source, then alt, then we add sorry, we add the content, the URL, because normally these images, normally image is URL or link. It is not just like image, because when the browser browses your website, it calls or it links the image from your store, then it appears or it displays on web page so that your website can be balanced, the images with content. So here we're typing after attribute of sources in the value we type image. So here I have the image, we call it puppy, is what I'm calling here. Then we add extension, which is PNG. Let's jump on in browse. We see how the images looks. Sorry, I made a mistake. It's bit, but it's okay. It is a G. This one you can see on browser that it is appearing, or it is visible. Then the next is this attribute of alt, which is very important because we use it when we want to describe what images says, just in case when website doesn't load the image, at least you can know what that image means. Here you can just we give it just a word, a name, or the meaning of dog, maybe dog in garden. Then let's make just a little mistake at something. Then here you can be able to see that after crashing this image puppy, you can be able to see what it is. So let's just move on, and let us see what this means. This HTML syntax say this source, it specifies the path of the images. Then this as I said, it specifies the alternative text for the image. That was just an alternative. And another thing we can just look, it is the the image, the source, I mean the width, we can give it, or any other thing. But so far, what we have covered is the most important. Let's again, we bring it back so that you can be able to see this. The next now is to the image size, because just load any images on a website doesn't mean that you just call it as it is, because it may cover a big area whereby you can control it, or that disturbs or the users or visitors. Just looks as something bad. So let's try this one. We also add this size to see how this the style can be looked using width and height. What we do, as we saw, that when you want to give any content in HTML element, we use style attributes. We type style, then we give it width. The width, maybe we can just give it like 500 pixels. Then we also give it a height of 300 pixels too. You can see that now it is somehow small. When you make a mistake and give it big, it's going to be big, and it's going to be something huge where the website or the page it is going to be like food, and looks very sad. So that's this one. This is the size, which is also nice. Again, we can alternatively, we can also use width and height as attributes. Let's lab of this bit. Love this is style. Then we use width. We just use here width. Then we give it the value, which also is going to be 500. We are not going now to use pixels. Just use it as they are. Then you also include height. Also give it 300. So you can see that all are the same. They are the same. That's it. Then another thing is when we are using width and height or any other style, it is not advisable to use style as we saw in the internal style. At least the recommended could be inline or external, and you make sure everything is well organized. Otherwise, it can be bad. For instance, here when we normally saw that we use it in header. When we type, maybe we give it like as a style. Then we give it an image. Since it is the one we are targeting, we can maybe say, let's give it width of maybe 100 or 100%. You can see that it becomes very wide. It becomes very wide. So all other elements or content on website can't be seen well. So this is not recommendable. That's why I just see we wrap it off. I just want to show you that this is the best way to do it. Or another thing is that we can fetch, or we can call the images from folder, as we said, that it is very good to structure website, or to structure your website very well, so that it is more organizable, even in case for maybe future purpose. Can also help you to maintain it in case maybe got any problem. So the best way you can use images, so that all the pictures or photos you want to use on a website also uh, are stored in the same place, call them from the same place, not scattered in all website or in all folder of your website. So here we, after calling it in a source, we go on with folder. My folder is called images. Then you can see that all the images are inside. There are pop-ups. Keep using Puppy since it is the picture you have viewed before. Then it is the same. You can also style it in by giving it all width or the size or style you want it to have. The last one is you can also use the image from other website. Maybe if we we want to use, we have even permission, or sometimes we may use it even when we want to save time. Let's just jump in here and we type on Google. Just type like cat. Then we fetch some images from this one here. Oh, internet somehow okay, was somehow slow, but well, let me use that one. Let's use this one since they are the same. You can copy image link. After copying image link, image link. The image link, you come on source exactly, then you can paste the link there. Here it is. You can see that the image is well appeared on our web page. Then you can also style it in all way you want, because it might be big or somehow giant. Maybe then you want to minimize it according to how you want to design, and give it size above. I also give it 500 pixels. Here 500. Oh, made a bit no mistake. I just use this one with it. Let's just give it this. And hey, it's 300 pixels. Consider though it doesn't look good as was expected or as it was the other one looks, but that's how you can see, give it a size, height and width. Now last one it is it can also be link. You can use it as a link, but we shall see this in next lesson, where we shall see the image map. But at this time, let's just have image fraud, because image fraud is also very important. It is very important. Just rub this off. This is image, and let's again call our puppy image. Then after this, we are going to have a paragraph. We just type this just to have some words. Then inside here we come by in image tag. We type we style it still. Then type float. After float, we just give it the side image left. Here it is. Consider here on the screen that now you can have it here. You see the image, the words, or the text is on the right side. Then here, then the image is on the right side, so left side. So as we said, and as usual, we at the end of every lesson you have the project. now again we are going to have this project. We said we're going to start our project so that we can design or our website, be able to practice what we have learned. And it is very nice always to practice. We just don't not only learn, we learn by building a project. First of all, let's give it a head, which is, we are going to use h1 as header. We type HTML, sorry, it's not nice, HTML image. After this, we are going to call image tag, or we use a folder as image size. Then you're going to have image 1. You can see it here, it's big. That's why we need to give it a style. But before, first give it also a paragraph of 20 or 30 words. Do this one. It is very important. Then we're going to have like 2 images, and just like a content on a website. Then again we call an image tag from the store. We also use image 2, and something I forgot before is to give it a title. We use h2. This is nature. The second one is gonna be h2 also as heading. Then we give it what's this one? Just check. Okay, it's a city here. Then also we give it a paragraph of maybe volume. Yes. From also 30 words. Sorry. Oh, that's wrong. Yes. Now our website is here. You can see the images, though it's big, but it has heading, heading. Can you see nature, paragraph, images, paragraph. The second content is also here. The city has the name as the city, images, and also some details. It's not coming up, but it's fine. Wow. Okay. Oh, then here in images we have learned in alternative. You can just say this is nature image. Then in the city, use city image, so that if it doesn't load, the visitor can be able to see what you're trying to say. Just want a little bit to do this and allow him 30. I don't know why it's not coming, but it's okay. We're going to fix this. Then, as we have seen, some CSS style, just to have our website look good, because you have to enjoy when you are learning. Let's just give it something, just to style it in a bold way. Just you target the body to be able to make them together. We're going to give it a font font. It's a font family. Then we use Arial. Next, we're going to target text, which are a bit in the middle. Give it center. The next one is going to be background. The color which we're going to use F0, which is also F4. Sorry for this. Yeah, this one is great. The next thing you're going to, you can see that now it is okay, but since it is not yet seen, it's fine. We keep working on this. We target also image. We give it let's just give it maybe background of white, which is also just type white. Then we pad it, padding of 10 pixels. Width, now we are targeting image to be at least somehow not big, to reduce their size. Then height, so it's going to be let's give it to 50. Let's try. Why is not really here working? Oh yeah, it's I was wondering why it's not. You have not linked in the style so that it is start affecting. Wow, you can see that now it is becoming as this one we say before. Oh, you have seen. I'm sure you'll be at the end of this video to have these skills, be able to design your website the way you want it to be. Let's go on. The last one is targeting a paragraph. The paragraph is gonna be, paragraph is just giving the padding of targeting. This is the top and the bottom. Then the next one, which is going to have 20%. What it is? Yeah, it's no. PS padding. So to have this 0.2 white on bottom and top. Then the targeting left side and right side, which is going to be pixels. Here you can see that our website now, that's it, how it is looking very well. Then the last we are going to style our heading or our title. This nature, it is in a H2. We're going to style it, then we give it a color. Since it is nature, that'll be green. We can even use just green. Then by targeting city, also it can be can also somehow maybe just a blue or else blue to check how it looks. Oh, doesn't look well. Let's just use we are using it is 6:1 8D and double F, which is blue. Is it sure? Yeah, 18D FF. That's it. Yeah. So guys, that is it. Now this is our last project we have so far done after the lesson of HTML images. So now I hope you can be able to position your images in a website or to make your content looking more beautiful. I know you can even do more than this. The more you keep practicing, the more you gain immersion. So guys, thank you very much. Please, if you find it useful, you can consider subscription and like. So thank you very much. See you next.